Hello friends, welcome back to this modern JavaScript series. Today we are going to see about array loops. We have seen loops in objects, how to iterate through each key of the object or each property of the object. Today we are going to see about how we can access each element in the array. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, I have created one array with the fruits as a variable and I have added a few fruits there. So first we will see for of loop. We have seen for in loop in objects. We can write for in loop in arrays as well, but we will see for of loop first how we can do that. So I'll type here itself. So if you see, we have IntelliSense for of loop, and as soon as I hit enter, it gives me two options, iterator and object. So for iterator, I'll rename it to element. As we know, fruits is array, so fruits here, and I can do this console.log and then element. So if I save this and run, I'm inside 03 advanced and 30. So as you can see, I am able to print all the fruits one by one. So I am iterating through each element of the array. So there is one more example here. I can say for in you can use. So let me show you how we can write for in. So this is known as a scaffolding, so you can use it. It is available in many editors. So if you write here object, I have fruits. So and if I console log this, if I run this, I will see the same output here, but I have key here. Key is nothing but the index. If I plot or if I print both the values here, you can see apple 0, banana 1. So it is printing the element and its index value as well. It is basically this hash own property is used to check whether this key is inside this fruits object or not. So it is more appropriate if you use for in loop for the objects, but we can use it in arrays as well. Let us move ahead. We have one more loop we can use. Let me just write this console.clear first, so it will clear out the entire console. So we have fruits array. I can do this dot. We have certain methods available, push, map, forEach and all this. So I'll be using forEach here. So forEach, it is higher order function. We will see higher order functions later in the next video. So it is taking callback function first. So inside my callback function, I can have three different values. Let's say first is a value, that is element. I will write element. Then the second is index. It's pretty obvious. Then the third is array itself. So I'll write something like this, and as it is a callback function, I can do this console.log. Then I will print out each values here and array. So let us see what happens if I run this. You can see first element is printed, then the index and the entire array. Array.forEach method is used to iterate through each element of the array, and they provide you the current element, current index and the entire array. So you can perform whatever you want to perform, and basically forEach method is used to iterate through each element of the array. So it is very useful in many cases. We will see later in the video. So this is the first higher order method. So we'll see more methods available into array like map, filter, reduce. All this we will see it later. But this is the loops in Java JavaScript array. I hope you have learned something new from this video. Please hit the thumb icon and like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this unlove, 'cause I'm